The Ekaiva 60-ton injection blow molding machine is designed for producing hollow plastic items such as bottles and containers by combining injection and blow molding processes. Key features: clamping force 60 tons for secure mold holding. Injection unit ensures consistent preform quality. Blow molding shapes preforms using air pressure. Advanced control systems enhances precision in temperature and cycle management. Energy efficiency often incorporates servo technology to reduce energy use. Applications: food and beverage, pharmaceutical, cosmetic industries. Advantages: high precision and product consistency. Cost-effective with minimal material waste, short cycle times, increasing production efficiency. In essence, this machine is crucial for manufacturers aiming for efficient production of high-quality plastic products.